Welcome to the Leave Tracker section in Zoho People. This is where you can view your leave summary, check balances, and apply for leave. Step 1. Access Leave Tracker. From the left panel, click on Leave Tracker. You'll see multiple tabs at the top: Leave Summary, Leave Balance, Leave Requests, and Compensatory Request. Step 2. Leave Summary Overview. In the Leave Summary tab, you can see all your leave types and their availability. For example, casual leave, available 5 days, booked 3 days. Compensatory off, available 0, booked 1. Leave without pay, booked 0. Paternity leave, available 0. Sick leave, available 7 days, booked 1 day. Step 3. Date range and apply leave. At the top right, you can select the date range for viewing leave details. Here, it's set from January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. To apply for leave, click the Apply Leave button. Step 4. Apply Leave Form. When you click Apply Leave, you'll see a form like this. First, select your leave type from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the start date and end date for your leave. Enter your team email ID if required. Finally, provide a reason for leave in the text box. Once you've filled in all the details, click Submit to send your leave request. If you change your mind, click Cancel. Step 5. Upcoming and past leaves. Below the summary, you'll find sections for upcoming leave and holidays and past leave and holidays. For example, upcoming holiday, Christmas Day on the 25th of December, 2025. Past leave, casual leave taken on the 6th of November, 2025 for 1 day, which is marked as approved. That's how you use the Leave Tracker and apply for leave in Zoho People. It helps you stay informed about your leave balance and plan your time off effectively. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.